Nasibona chikomana.
Ndilasibona.
Nasibona yasho.
Ha, azvende ruwanana ndilasibona dziyakonda.
Azvino.
Iya, ndiyakhona ndingazvivotakala ngaindira.
Takalesa mutsimuri babaleke.
Beka zvachidzimba tine rito baba makone vazvo.
Okay.
Ndingazotonangwa rino ride richibhika richikona ngamanda. Ende avangaditsouri musezviro nopedza chibhika ndivatodipinesa.
Ndiyakhona vadotondisera plate yanga ndo.
You wanna see us together? Bang Halima Naki Hanamane. Cause all I want is you.
So, you recupera o que se fitisce pili, se quando for. Fili,
Musisi wa kuri na kedi asomo baba ka ore ready no mu papa na tu kwa udanga wa
for prosperity. We are saying, we are declaring, or whatever this couple touch, it will turn into gold.
We've learned to have an understanding. We don't need to talk, but we have an understanding. We can drive from here to Joburg, only have said 2 or 4 words to each other. We have an understanding. We enjoy each other's peace. You know. So I'm thankful for the parents that I have. I'm thankful for Busi's parents. Mommy. For bringing up such a beautiful lady.